10:48, February 10. I am inside my house. Flower in the window. I can always hear this noise in my ears. I can hear it in my house. It hurts my ears. So I have about 40 dBA inside my house. I'll try now to go outside. So I'm right beside my house and I have 56 dBA. .56 with the spikes. 52. Now I'm moving towards the drilling rig. I'm right here beside my house. This is my house. You can see it. The thing is resetting or something. So this is the noise I'm getting. I'm getting more than 40 dBA inside my house. I have this constant noise in my ears all the time. My ears hurts. Today I was having a ride in a car with a friend, and just the engine from the car, it made my ears hurt because they are always in this noise. So I have 56 dBA beside my house. Now I'm moving towards the noise meter, which is around 15 meters from the house. This is the noise meter, you can see it here. Okay. When it's higher, it's a bit windy, but you cannot hear the wind. I can feel it. I don't know if you can hear it in the camera. Now it's a bit stronger. But I'll go back beside my house, where is not windy at all.